Hi great people, today I'm going to be showing you the advanced gold recovery system. This is probably going to be really handy for some people if they're working with gold on an MT4 account. Then this may help by actually giving them into a recovery system. This is another bot. Okay, this is an expert advisor. It should come with some set files. It will be included inside here. You can see that the advanced gold trader recovery is actually module number 62 inside Darren's Trading Academy. So this is just something that I just want to point out to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a overall video. I'm going to show you how to install it from start to finish, so you know exactly where you are and how to do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take you over to this page. This is what it's going to look like when you've finished. Where you have the bot set up, etc., with the auto trading and the tools, etc., all loaded up. And the advanced gold trading is up and running. You can see there's a smiley face, so this shows you that the bot is active. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go through the process just so you know exactly how to set the actual bot up. Okay, and then hopefully you'll know exactly what you're doing, and I would like some feedback on how it's helping you with your accounts. Okay, so as any thing which I talk about, I'm not a financial advisor, and also I am trying to set this up in such a way that this will be profitable. Now remember, this is very, very important. Make sure you put it on a demo account for a couple of weeks, test it first before you release it onto a live account. And remember, I can't be responsible for any losses. Okay, make sure you do your own due diligence about the advanced gold trading recovery system and when it works best. Obviously I've got some information that's going to help us with that, which is why over here is this one. And this is going to give you a little bit of an idea of what's going on. Darren's Trading Academy module, Advanced Gold Recovery. Okay, so you can see I've highlighted this. The Advanced Gold Recovery EA is designed for XAU USD traders who want to recover drawdowns and rebuild equity using controlled recovery logic. It combines grid-style scaling, dynamic lot adjustments, intelligent trailing to turn loss cycles into potential profit runs while keeping risk contained. This module walks you through the setup basically, and it's going to show you exactly how you can set this up. It can be used both on funded and personal accounts. Okay, so the idea of this video is just to give you a little bit of an idea. I'm not going to go through too much of this because I don't want to give too much away, but what I'm going to show you obviously is the time frame, which is 15 minutes to 30-minute window, and max recovery trades is 5 to 7. Okay, grid steps 300 to 500, profit target is 10 to 30 per £1,000 balance, and the equity protection is anywhere from 10 to 15%. Remember, you need to adjust this accordingly if you're using a prop firm. Okay, and it's a recovery plus trend assist. Okay, this is what's running. So let's get into it. So we're going to go over here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the bot so we can start from scratch. Okay, and then you're going to know exactly how to set all this up. So I've deleted this from the system. So this is gone for the time being. Now it's not going to trade at the moment because it's Sunday. It needs to wait until around about 11:30, 12 o'clock tonight. It will probably kick in, and then it's not necessarily going to trade straight away. It may be that it's going to find certain perimeters which it's designed to do in the algorithms before it's going to want to take a trade. Okay, so just going to delete this from the data folder as well, and then we are good to go. Just give me a few seconds. And basically what I'm showing you, you reverse engineer to put the bot back into action. Okay, so it's literally just as simple as that. So we're just checking something. Okay, so we're all clear, I think, as far as I know. Go back, so experts, perfect. Okay, okay, perfect. Right, Okay, so what we'll basically do is you want to make sure that you have an MT4 account. This is my Darwin MT4 account. You can see right down here. Darwin normally in MT4 is blue, and Darwin in MT5 is normally white. Okay, and the other way to do it is if you go to File, if we go to Open Data Folder, and if we look in the Open Data folder, you'll see MQL4. This means that this is for MetaTrader 4. Okay, and we're going to double click on here. We're then going to double click on the experts. This is going to open up our file, which is right here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to place the bot into this file. So how do you do this? Well, very simple. When you come across the module 62, this is where you will be finding your recovery gold bot, and all you basically do, okay, is it will be in a zip folder, something similar to this, okay, and you literally grab the bot. Okay, I've unpacked it so it's easy for you to find. You need to make sure that you put it somewhere where you can find it. Right mouse click, okay, and then you copy the bot like I've done, advanced gold trading, okay, and then you come across back to here, okay, and you right mouse click and you paste in that bot right there like that, okay. And what this is going to do is this is going to add the bot into the experts folder, and you'll see now the advanced gold trading is there. You can refresh it. This normally helps just to module it. It just gives it a little bit of a better chance of it finding it on the actual chart when we load it up. Close this down. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hover across your navigator window. You're going to right mouse click, and then we're going to refresh again. This is going to refresh it into the index, okay, so we can see now that the advanced gold trading is right here. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a XAU USD chart, which is this one here. Slide that across and drop it. I like to change it about a bit, so I like to just put it so it's on grid only. There's loads of stuff you can do with this. You can go to properties, you can play around with the color scheme. I also like the gold or the yellow and black color scheme, and then hit OK. Just makes it look a little bit better before you put the bottom, and then you hold on to the left hand mouse, okay, hold on to it and drag that across to get a little box which is inside the chart window, and then just release. This is going to open up the actual expert advisor with its inputs. Now you can see there's lots and lots of inputs here. Recognize gold digits, true or false, order comments, the magic number is the most important one. We want to make sure that this is unique. The idea that you want to make this unique is that if you do a search to see how the bot is performing, you'll be able to do it by matching the number of what you've chosen, okay. Now it's set up with an open trade in a new candle, new buy and new sell is set, allowing support manual orders. You can click on this and change this if you want to true, okay, or false. It's entirely up to you. Max trade was set at 11, start distance set at 30, number of orders, start dynamic distance is 8, and so forth. Okay, so there's loads and loads of settings in here that you can play around with. What I would suggest you do is put it into a back test, test it and see how you get on with it, okay. I'm just going to put the allow support manual back to false because that's what it was pre-set up. Okay, now you want to click outside the window, and now it won't have any effect when you move the mouse. You're not going to change that perimeter. Now you can see there's lots and lots here. There's mail alarm, push alarm. You can have it where you can get an email come through if it falls below a certain point. There's loads and loads of little things that you can set this up with. You can see the symbol list, USD, JPY and EUR. If there was something else that you are trading with which you find you use while you're doing XAU USD, you can actually include that by putting in the symbol. High impact news has been enabled. Draw profit, this is obviously set to true. Panel information is set to true. Supply and demand filter is set to false on this at the moment. You can adjust this. As I said before, it has a stop loss, recovery order stop loss, and a recovery order take profit of 0.1. So this starts trading at 0.01, I think it does. Let me have a look. It does show you anyway, so it will show you what is set up. There it is, 0.01. So the initial lot is 0.01, and then it will have a balance step, and then it will start to build itself up, if you like, to try and recover the account, or recover your gold trading, you know, and build it up basically. So this is how it's going to work, and I'm just giving you a little bit of a rundown so you know exactly what the system's like. You can see that you can low stop trade, low resume trade, medium resume trades. It's got lots and lots of great stuff on here that you can actually start to use. So once you set this up, you hit OK. Okay, now there's a good chance that I may have some set files that I'll be adding into this, and then the set files that I find that are working, I'll add them into this module, and then you will be able to get access to these if you're inside Darren's Trading Academy, which I think you get for just under $400 for lifetime access, plus all the bots, plus everything else that I show you, pretty much manual and auto trading. Okay, so look out for that, don't miss out, because I have got a limited amount of people that I allow into my Trading Academy, and then I cut it off, and I normally leave it for a while because it's otherwise I've got too many people to try and teach at the same time. So the advanced gold trading recovery, basic information, profit information, you can see it shows the account name, the pairs profit, and it's at the moment, this is going through the New York to the London session, GMT time, Sunday, October the 19th, 14:27, which is 15:27 here in the UK, so we're 1 hour across. And this just gives you a great indication of what you've got to look forward to when you load up this bot and you allow this bot basically to start trading. Now, the one thing you do need to do, this is set on a 1 hour. It's normally default when you ever open up an account, it's always preset to a 1 hour. You can set this to a 15-minute or a 30-minute window. Okay, so I'm setting this at the moment on a 15-minute. I just got to bring this down here because it's and just click on here, and you'll see that this is now set up as a 15-minute. So this is basically going to come up with lots and lots of things. So you just allow this bot to trade using its own algorithm, and slowly it will start to build your account. Okay, and that's really what it's designed to do. That's it in a nutshell. So if you want to try this out, you'll find this inside Darren's Trading Academy under module 62. It's basically a advanced gold trading recovery bot, which is going to help you to earn profits, if you like, inside your account. So that's it. This video hopefully is going to give you the information that you require. I've shown you basically how to add the bot in. Just in case that you missed it, I'm going to do it one more time. So basically we go over and we pick up the bot, right hand mouse click, and we copy the bot. Okay, so we've copied this. You then go over to your VPS, which is your virtual proxy server. You click on your MT4 account, whether it's a demo account or a live account. Let's get rid of that. Let's go back there. So you get this account. You then go to File, okay, top left hand corner, Open Data Folder, MQL4, then go to Experts, and then you paste in, okay, right mouse click, and you paste in the advanced gold trading bot. Now if it's already been in there, it's going to say to you don't copy, so we're going to click on this one and we're going to leave it because I've already installed it and I've already set up the parameters of what I want this to work for. Once you've done that, you'll see you go over here, you right mouse click and you refresh. And then basically, okay, if we close this down for a minute, if we go to XAU USD, and you can drag a chart, right mouse click, grid, and then you come across to your navigator window, scroll all the way down, find the advanced gold trading, okay, hold onto that with the left hand mouse, drag across and let go, and this is going to help load it all up. And then you just basically fill out your details, make sure you change your magic number, go to common, make sure you choose if you want it to work in a long or short position or just leave it as it is. Make sure allow live trading is enabled, enable alerts, allow import and journal experts and allow DAO inputs, and that's pretty much it. It is off to the races and it's ready for you to go. Okay, so hopefully you're going to enjoy this next bot in a new edition, which is coming to Darren's Trading Academy. Plus there will be a cheat sheet which will show you how to set this up and other set files that you can use. Okay, so all the very best till my next video. Thank you.